Hello everyone, I am Sidhu. I am having 7 years of experience in the software development. This course is provided by Micro1. If you don't know Micro1 yet, Micro1 helps companies hire the best remote software developers easily. The first 1 week of your hire is 100% free. No questions asked. If you want to learn more, go back and check micro1.ai. Let's come back to the presentation. In today's session, we are going to see the introduction of Chat GPT, as well as how Chat GPT is relevant outside of coding, as well as how it is helpful for the developers. Let's deep dive into it. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful and trending topics right now. It's been less than a month it got released and it blew people's mind with that what it can do. It's breaking records with 1 million user signups within few days of its release. If we use this product daily, no longer we will be googling the answers. ChatGPT will give you the exact answers with detailed explanation. That's what we want. What makes ChatGPT more powerful? ChatGPT is a powerful language model because it is based on GPT architecture. GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, which uses deep neural networks to generate human-like text. Additionally, it has been trained on large datasets of diverse text, which allows it to understand and generate wide range of language patterns and styles. Is ChatGPT free of cost? Yes, of course. As of now, ChatGPT is a free of cost tool. How ChatGPT is helpful to the developers? There are so many ways it is helpful, but I summarized 4 things. First one is code generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate simple code snippets in specific programming language, which can save developers time and effort. Now let's go to ChatGPT website and we'll see how it can save our time. So this is the ChatGPT website UI. You can go to chat.openai.com/chat and you can log in with your email ID. It's free of cost. Now actually I want to generate a code which actually returns you the random colors. Let's see. Generate Java script code snippet which returns random colors. So as the first statements of code generation means I'm actually asking a specific requirement and it's returning the results. So it can understand which language it's typing as what is the question and it's returning accordingly. So it fulfilled your first requirement, code generation. So it's giving you the description as well. The second one, error detection. So ChatGPT can be trained to detect errors in the code as well as which can help developers to fix and find bugs more quickly. Okay, let's see actually. I'm going to write a function, hello, and I want to console this log, and which here I'm going to make a mistake. Let's see whether ChatGPT can identify this or not. Instead of console log, I see dot log. I'll type it hello. So I asked is what's the output of this program. So it's just saying that the output of this program would be error because I have not written console.log, I have wrongly typed console. So it's identifying the errors as well. So if you give any code snippet, it can return you in which statement you have done some error and documenting the code. So actually the next statement is documenting the code. So ChatGPT can be used to generate documentation for the code, which can make it easier for developers to understand and maintain the code. For example, let's take the example of generating the random colors. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a documentation for this. Can write a documentation for above code snippet. Let's see how it behaves. So it's actually typing something like what exactly the function do. So you can see it's actually giving point by point, which you can copy this and you can use this in any readme statements, or you can actually write it in a comments. So it's properly giving all the statements which it's observing documentable. Good. So next one is code optimization. Let's see whether ChatGPT can optimize the code what it has written. can you optimize the above code snippet to generate random colors? So I'm asking the same code snippet what it has written to generate optimizing it. So it actually, let's see whether it optimized it or not. So it's saying instead of a for loop iterating 6 times over, we can use array.prototype.fill, which actually creates an index, 6 random indexes, and you then use array.prototype.map, okay, to the index letters. So this will give you the same results but less code and better performance. So instead of the above code doing the for loop statement, this actually trying to do it with a fill statement and map statement. So it actually optimizing it as well. And it has actually given one more approach by using the unit 8 array. Great. So this is how the Chat GPT is pretty helpful. That's all for this session. In the next session, we are going to see how we can write Node.js API to-do list using Chat GPT. Thank you. Signing off. Bye-bye.